So we'll give this variable a value by making it a public variable. So let's go to save our script just by closing out of it and ask us to save it, and we'll call this character select button, and then we can click done. And then let's go back into there and edit that, and up in here in the script properties we want to make sure my character number is ticked as public. We can give it a default value if we want, but 0 is fine. So have that ticked, and let's have a look at what that does. So we'll click done and close out of here, save that. Now if we right click on this object and select edit object behavior, we can see this is now the public variable. So let's change that to 1 for the boy, and then we'll go and use that exact same script. So if we go to our scripts sidebar here with this button, and then find the script that we just made, character select button, put that on the girl as well, then right click on her and select edit object behavior and change that number to 2. So now the boy is 1 and the girl is 2, and that information is going to get sent to level 1. Now in level 1 we want to make sure we've got a boy character and a girl character in there, so I'm going to make sure my girl character is on my objects layer. You might want to have another layer for your characters, and then I'll put the boy character in there as well, basically in the same place, because you want your character to start in the same place. Unless you want them to be in a different place, then that's up to you. I'll give them the same script as well, player controls. So they're both going to have the same script. Now we need to go and edit that script so that we can use that selected number. And what we're going to do in here is have both of these players check that number, and if the girl's been selected, that number will be 2, so the boy should destroy himself. But if the boy's been selected, that number will be 1, and the girl should destroy herself, because you don't want to have 2 players running around. That'd be confusing. So what we're going to do in here is add in a when created block. So as soon as this object is created, it's going to check if it's the correct number. So when created, that's from events. Now we want to ask if I'm the right player, if my number is correct. So that's control flow if do. And when it's created, it's going to check if its number, the boy's number or the girl's number, equals the player selected number, that global variable that we set. So we need an equals. We need to go to variables and get that player selected number, and we want to check, is that number my number? Now the boy will be 1 and the girl will be 2. Problem is, if we put a 1 in here, then the girl is going to get the same script and it's going to be 1. Same problem we had before. So we're going to use another public variable in here.